everybody? It's your girl Deanna C, and this is Divine Dance All-Star Apparel. Today we are going to learn something very cool. We're going to take this ordinary long sleeve t-shirt and leggings and change it from this to this. If you want to know how to do that, make sure you stay tuned.
Bitch, you better work. Everybody now work. Bitch, you better work.
Hey, what's up? I am so happy to be back. Before we get started today, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new content, as well as make sure you like and share. Now, at the end of the video, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask your questions or leave your comments. I am more than happy to respond. I usually respond within 24 to 48 hours. So be sure that you do that, because I want to hear your feedback on, if this tutorial was easy for you or if it was difficult for you. Also, I want to let you guys know that I do make uniforms. I've had a lot of people ask me, do you make uniforms for other teams? Yes, I do. If you want your uniforms designed by me, go ahead and make sure that you email me at divinedanceallstars@gmail.com. It should be down below on the screen. Yes, I've had people to come in and ask for uniforms, but the best way to get in contact with me is to email me. Also, I do dance mixes for Majorette teams. So if you need a field show, creative, if you need a walkthrough, you can hit me up for that. I have very affordable pricing as well. Another thing that I do are dance logos, as well as flyers for competitions and for advertisement. So if you want to hit me up for any of those things, go ahead and make sure you email me at divinedanceallstars@gmail.com. Now, it is time to get into our tutorial, so let's get it started.
You better strike a pose, swing your hips, tilt your phone out, duck your lips, move your body up and down, drop it low to the ground. Grab your cup and take a sip, swing your hair, make it whip. Tonight's the night, having fun, gonna party till the dawn. Better strike a pose, swing your hips, tilt your phone and duck your lips, move your body up and down, drop it low to the ground. Grab your cup and take a sip, swing your hair, make it whip. Tonight's the night, having fun, gonna party till the dawn. Gonna fuck it out one good time, gonna grab a shot and unwind. It's the weekend, got money to blow, and we're turning up, already know. Gonna fuck it out one good time, gonna grab a shot and unwind. It's the weekend, got money to blow, and we're turning up, you already know. Party people, turn it up. Friday night, getting drunk. Raise your cup, do your dance. All my people, here's your chance. You better work. Bitch, you better work. Everybody now work. Bitch, you better work. a pose, swing your hips, tilt your phone, now duck your lips, move your body up and down, drop it low to the ground. Grab your cup and take a sip, swing your hair, make it whip. Tonight's the night, having fun, gonna party till the dawn. Better strike a pose, swing your hips, tilt your phone and duck your lips, move your body up and down, drop it low to the ground. Grab your cup and take a sip, swing your hair, make it whip. Tonight's the night, having fun, gonna party till the dawn. Gonna fuck it out one good time, gonna grab a shot and unwind. It's the weekend, got money to blow, and we're turning up, already know. Gonna fuck it out one good time, gonna grab a shot and unwind. It's the weekend, got money to blow, and we're turning up, you already know. Party people, turn it up. Friday night, getting drunk.